A new website appeared and made a huge buzz, as you can see. Suddenly, it became a trend. Everyone is talking about it, everyone is making courses about it and explaining how it works. Everyone says it's a good field, and everyone is making money from it. Honestly, I searched a bit about this topic and I found it really amazing. Do you know Fiverr? This new website is similar to it, but much better, because the work is very simple. You only need one thing: basic editing skills. But luckily, we are now in 2025. Even if you don't have any experience, you can still work here using AI. So no experience is needed. AI will do everything for you. Things are very easy and not complicated at all. First, register on Whop. You will find the link in the description box. Go to the site, scroll down directly to the section called Content Rewards. Here they will give you rewards for creating videos. You will find many tasks called clipping, and there are also UGC and faceless tasks. The clipping jobs are the most common and the easiest. They are just about cutting parts from videos. For example, you take a long podcast video, maybe 1 hour long, and you cut it into 10 or 20 short videos. You just take the best moments from the podcast. And this idea can be done easily using an AI tool. It can do this with just one click. Imagine, you just register on Whop, choose one of the available offers, then go to the AI tool, extract the short videos, and send them to the person after publishing them first on TikTok or Instagram, depending on the requirements. For example, one person may ask for publishing on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Another person may want only Instagram, so it depends on who you are working with. And the more views you get, the more money you earn. For example, this first person chose clipping. The platforms he accepts are Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. He pays $2 for every 1,000 views. So, choose an offer with good earnings. $2 is good, $1 is good, $3 is very good. Oh, look here. $8. Yes, $8 per 1,000 views, my friends. Let's take an example. Enter the page of Ambro, click on Join. After clicking, wait a bit until he accepts you. Then, it will show open, just like it did for me. Click it directly. On this page, you will see Ambro's posts. We don't really need these. Then, there is the chat. You can talk with people who also joined this Whop. Here is where you can make money. You will also find people who worked with Ambro and earned money. For example, someone earned $450 just by posting a video that was only 10 seconds long. That's because every 1,000 views equals $3. So he earned $450. You can do the math to know how many views that is. Another person also earned $450. A third one earned $1,000. Yes, $1,000 from one simple video. You can do it too. If you want to start working with this person, click here. After clicking, all the conditions will appear. He has many rules, but they are all very easy and simple. Like, the video must be at least 10 seconds long, and it must be original, not stolen. He will also give you the video materials to use. They could be YouTube videos to download and edit, or from Instagram, TikTok, or Google Drive. These are not just to look at. You will actually use them. After creating your videos, post them on the platforms the person asked for, while respecting all the rules. Then click Submit. Put your video link here, upload the video file here, and click Submit again. When he accepts your video, the money will be calculated immediately. Now about the tool you will use. It's called Submagic. This tool is amazing. If you are a YouTuber, TikToker, Instagram content creator, affiliate marketer, or working in any field, you must use this tool. Don't say, I don't use this AI. You should. This tool helps you add automatic captions to your videos. Any video you send to it, it will add text over it. These days, every video on the internet, podcast, or anything you see has captions. This tool does that in a very professional and beautiful way. It's one of the best tools for this. If you are creating Whop Faceless or Whop UGC videos, you must use this site to make your videos look better. That way you'll get better results. There is also a new feature added to Submagic called Magic Clips. This feature lets you upload a long video, and it will cut it into 10 short clips. That's exactly what we need to earn from Whop clipping, so no editing experience needed. Just use this site. You will find the link in the first comment and in the description. Use my code to get a discount. My Nato10, you'll get 10% off, my friends. If you like this video, tell me in the comments so I can make more videos about this topic. All links are in the description box. Thank you, my friends. Just a reminder, turn on the notification bell, give a like, and thank you.